Okay, so this video might be the most important video out of any video on this course. And this isn't some sort of meditation. This isn't some sort of mindfulness practice. This is a strategy that will help you recover from depersonalization. Hear me say it again. This is a strategy or technique, whatever you want to call it, that will help you recover from depersonalization. So what this strategy does, I'm going to start with that, is every time you do the technique, you convey safety from your nervous system to your brain and vice versa. So when you do this, your nervous system and your brain communicate and they basically say, okay, we are safe. And this is when the symptoms start to go away. And this is when the brain starts to shut off all these symptoms that are uncomfortable. I'm going to say it again. When you do this technique, every repetition, you convey safety to your nervous system and to your brain. And all the junk that's in your nervous system right now, the cortisol, the anxiety, anything that you're feeling, when you do this, you're essentially removing the junk. This is how powerful this technique is. This isn't like yoga. This isn't like, this isn't some sort of mindfulness. This isn't meditation. This is a nervous system regulating technique. And this is very, very powerful. So now I'm going to tell you how to do it. So please take notes. Please practice this with me as I talk about it, please, because I really want you to get better. So you're going to start off and you're going to breathe 4 seconds through your nose and you're going to count to 4. So follow this line. See this ball? Goes up the line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now release out your mouth very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as the ball goes up, you breathe in for 4 through your nose. And as the ball goes down, you breathe out of your mouth for 8 seconds, and the slower, the better. Every time you do this, like I said, you're going to convey safety to your nervous system and to your brain. So I want you guys to do this technique about 50 times a day, 50. When you do this 50 times a day, and this is temporary, this is just to kind of get you out of fight or flight mode, you're going to recover. And it's going to be a lot faster than people that are not doing this. So I want you to do this technique. Please listen to me because it's very, very powerful. And just realize you might be a little bit dizzy. This is very normal. And it's not going to be, you're not going to be dizzy all day. Just, within the first few minutes after doing the technique, it's very normal. I experience it, I still do the breath and I still experience a little bit of dizziness, but it goes away pretty shortly after, within, I would say, 5 to 10 minutes max. But what I do, so I try when I wake up, I try to do about 15 to 20. And when I go to bed, before bed, I try to do another 15 to 20. And then throughout the day, I might do 10 or 15. So you just kind of want to divide it up. And this is, like I said, is probably the most powerful technique that I can teach you. It does take effort and it does take time to do, but this is what it's going to take to get better. And remember, these are temporary things that we have to do to make sure that we can get better and to make sure that you can recover from DP. So please do this technique. This is very, very powerful. And we want to start communicating and conveying safety to your brain and your nervous system.